this question is very simple. Okay, very simple. See here, just add in this options, in this option, just add one another. See here, CO2 2 minus, sorry, O2 2 minus, add this. Okay, add this. Then tell me what is the correct option. Tell me what is the correct option. Bond order based question. This question is asked from chemical bonding, and very simple question. So I have one beautiful trick to find bond order. If you don't know, please wait. So this is simple question. So MSET students also they can do this question. Okay, Vijayeshwar Reddy, try to give the answer. I think you no need more than 1 minute. It will take just 30 seconds. Okay, but you have to know one trick. If you will know that trick, you will get answer within 1 minute. Okay, within 1 minute, and within 30 seconds also you can get the answer. Okay, so let me tell the answer. So your time is up, so my time will going to be start. Okay, see here. So if they will ask about bond order, so I will give one beautiful trick. So first of all, write this trick and then we will do the answer. So here I am writing number of electrons, and here I am writing what? Bond order. Okay, bond order. If number of electrons 14 is there, then our bond order should be 3. And if you will go up and decrease just 0.5, and if you will go down, just decrease with 0.5. Okay, see here, if 13 electrons is there, so what is the bond order? Just 2.5. okay, now we have to what? Decrease 0.5. Next, 12. If 12 electrons there, what is the bond order? Just 2. And if 11 electrons are there, what is the bond order? So 1.5. If 10 electrons are there, what is the bond order? 1. Very simple. Okay, na? See, Naidu Reddy, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, see here. Next, go down. And if 15 electrons are there, what is the bond order? Just decrease 0.5. So 2.5 we will get here. So if number of electrons are 16 is there, then our bond order should be 2. If 17 is there, 1.5. If 18 is there, so 1. Okay, so see here. So trick. So now you know trick. And here we have exceptions. Very important. Note this. Okay, very important. So what is the exception means here? Okay, 1 second. So here not here no exceptions are there. In bond order, exceptions are there. Okay, just see here. First CO2 minus is there. C2 2 minus is there. So generally carbon having a 6 electrons, but here C2 is there. So 6 into 2 is equal to how much? 12. Okay, so 12. But here the carbon atom having 2 minus, that means it is having extra 2 electrons. That means we have to add 2 electrons. 12 plus 2 is equal to how much? 14 electrons. If 14 electrons are there, so what is the bond order? The bond order should be 3. Okay, bond order should be 3. So for this C2 2 minus, what is the bond order? Bond order is 3. So let us find for N2 2 minus. So if N2 2 minus is there, what is the bond order? See here. So nitrogen, basically nitrogen having how many electrons? Kitna electrons रहता है nitrogen में? 7 electrons. But here N2 is there. That means 7 into 2. That means 14 electrons. And here N2 is having 2 minus. That means it is carrying extra 2 electrons. So 14 plus 2 is equal to how much? 16 electrons. So if 16 electrons are there, what is the bond order? Very simple, bond order is 2. Okay, next I said that you just wrote O2 2 minus na. So in O2 2 minus, so how many electrons are there? So oxygen generally having 8 electrons. Here 2 oxygen atoms are there. That means 8 into 2 is equal to 16, and here having 2 minus charge. That means how much? How much? Tell me. 18 electrons. So if 18 electrons are there, what is the correct option? So what is the bond order? So 1. So 2. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we have to write what? correct order. Okay na? So C2 having highest bond order. So where C2 having highest bond order? See here in option B. See here, option B is the correct option. C2 having 3 and N2 having 2 and O2 having how much? 1. This is what? This is the increasing order of what? Bond order. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, let us go to the next question. So at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atom pressure, the enthalpies of combustion are as given below. See here, enthalpy of combustion values are given. This again, this question came from where? Thermodynamics. Okay na? Thermodynamics. And we have what we have to find? We have to find enthalpy of formation. Okay na? Enthalpy of formation. First question is based on what? Enthalpy of combustion, and this question is also related to that topic only, but here we have to find enthalpy of formation. I will give 1 minute of time. Try to solve this answer. So generally it will take 2 to 3 minutes to solve this question. Okay, just this is very simple answer. Very simple answer. We can find the answer very easily, but it will take time and you have to know the formula. Okay na? How to find this enthalpy of formation? You will have one small formula. Okay na? You have to apply that formula, then only you will get. Okay, not like formula, one equation like. Okay, and first of all, must and should, you have to form the equation. We have to form the reaction. We have to form, and we have to balance the equation also. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so let me solve this question. Okay, so what is the question? So question, in the question they are given enthalpies of combustion, and we have to form, very simple, we have to form enthalpy of formation. So enthalpy of formation, and especially they are asking about ethane. So what is the general formula? See here, ethane. So see here, H2 is there and carbon is there, and they are going to combine, and it will produce what? C2H6. That means what? That means what? Ethane. So first of all, we have to write the equation. So what is the correct equation? So carbon is there, so in graphite state, and next here also hydrogen is there. So both it will produce what? C2H6. Okay, so this is general equation. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to balance the equation. See here, two carbons are there. So here we can mention 2, because product side, how many number of atoms are there na? So at the same time, at the reactant side also, same number of atoms should be present, then only equation will going to be balanced. Okay na? Okay sir, next what is there? See here, H2 is there. So here number of hydrogens, how many are there? How many number of hydrogens are there here? In product, 6 hydrogens are there, but in reactant side only 2 are there. So what we have to do? So just we have to multiply with 3. So 3 into 2, 6. So now equation is completely balanced. Okay now? So now you have to understand here how many moles of carbon is there? 2 moles of carbons are there. And how many moles of hydrogens are there? H2. How many moles of H2 is there? 3 moles of H2 is there. Okay na? So both they are going to combine and it will produce what? C2H6. That means ethane. Okay na? So what we have to find? Just enthalpy of formation. So we will indicate like this, enthalpy of formation. So how we will calculate the enthalpy of formation? This is very important. Okay, very important. See here, enthalpy of combustion of reactants. That means this carbon and this H2O. Okay, minus, very important, minus enthalpy of combustion of product. So if we will do हम क्या करना है? हमको this enthalpy of combustion है ना reactants का, and उसमें से हमको products का enthalpy of combustion को क्या करना है? delete करना है और subtraction करना है. So then we will get what? Enthalpy of formation. Then we will get what? Enthalpy of formation. See here. So each and every values they are given in the question. So no need to worry. See here, what are the reactants are there here? C2 is there, sorry, carbon is there, and H2 is there, H2 also there. See here, C. So see here, combustion, how much value here given? See here, first of all, carbon and 2 moles of carbon. I will let me write here, and 3 moles of H2 is there. So carbon enthalpy of combustion, how much? See here, carbons minus 394.0. Okay, and we have to multiply with 2 because here 2 carbons are there na, 2 carbons are there na, just very simple. And plus this 3H2, 3H2 means what? Here 1 H having so 1 H2 having how much enthalpy of combustion? Very simple. See here, they are given in the question only, minus 286.0, minus 286.0 into, so how many moles are present here? What is the stoichiometric value here? 3. So into 3. Okay, 3 is there. So see here, just we have to do the calculation, and see here, reactant तो complete हो गया. Okay, reactant तो complete हो गया, ये complete हो गया. I will change the pen color, then you will understand. ये तो complete हो गया. Then what we have to do? We have to do minus, this is what? Enthalpy of combustion of product. So see here, what is the value? Minus, see here, minus 1560. Okay, so do this calculation. How much answer you will get? Tell me. How much answer you will get? Tell me. See, very good, Vijay Shankar. Very good, very good. Oh yes, you can download hall tickets. You can download also. So you will get what? Minus, we will get what? Around we will get minus 86.0 kilojoules per mole. Okay, clear? So otherwise you will get approximate value. Okay na? So what is the correct option? Correct option is 3. Okay, correct option is 3. So if you have a calculator, just you can solve very simply. Okay na? Calculation only, simple calculation only, plus minus into. Okay na? Okay,